make a balloon boat that can drive itself. Let's see what materials we need first. Straw that can be bent. Foam board. Balloon. We also need a small flag, clip, duct tape, and a small knife. Let's make it together. Cut out the boat shape. Be careful with your hands when cutting. Put the straw on the foam board. Put the straw on the foam board. Bend the straw upwards. Put on the duct tape to secure the straw. Put the balloon into the straw. Insert a small flag. Now blow up the balloon. Clip the straw to keep the balloon from leaking. The boat is ready. Let's go. Open the clip to release the air. Look, the boat is moving forward. Air leaks out and the boat stops. Let's keep watching. The balloon is elastic and will shrink when you release it, so the air in the balloon will be squeezed out. The air injected is pushed backwards, creating a counter reaction forward, so the boat will move forward. The balloon boat that can drive itself is so fascinating. All we need is a balloon, a foam board, and a straw. And a small flag, clip, duct tape, and a small knife. So we can make a balloon boat that can drive itself. Make it with your mom and dad together.